So now let's deal with the total. Now the total here is like so. So we have this data on this side that is showing like this. So of course we have the quantity here and we have the price over here. So price times quantity, not this quantity here because this is the one in stock, but this one right here is the one in the cart. So 1 by the price, and that's a total. Then we can add everything together. So to create a total here, we're just going to say total is equal to 0. Yeah, and then let's loop through for each rows as a row. And every time we increment total, we're going to say total plus equals. So the row, what row are we looking for? Cart underscore QTY multiplied by the row price. Okay, so let's just confirm this is it. Price, okay, cart quantity, okay. So total is going to be different by the end of this. So let me copy that and put it right about here. Okay, so I think that does it. Now, of course, before I save all this, I have to actually know that rows is a qualified column. So what I will do is say if is array, then let's save. Yes, let me push everything internal like that. All right. Very good. Okay, so looking good so far, but let's give it a test run, shall we? So no redirecting here. So I will refresh and I will resend. Okay, so where am I making the mistake? So order class number 14. So it's saying you cannot use an object of type array, an object of type class as an array. Yes. So there's a point on line 14. Okay. So it's sending these guys as arrays, right? But I guess it's an array of objects. So where is line 14? This is the one right here. Okay, so I understand what's going on here. So I will redo these guys by doing it like that. Okay. So where else am I getting from the row? I think that's about it. Okay, so we'll get some descriptions from here as well for the other save. So refresh, resend. So undefined index delivered. Undefined index zip on line 28. Okay, so let's look at line 24. Yeah, so no E should be there. Delivery address. What about zip code? Why we don't have a zip code? So let me undo the show there so that I can actually see what's going on. Resend. Okay, so invalid parameter number was not defined. Okay, so it's saying delivery address undefined, zip undefined. Wait, what? Okay. Let's use var dump because it tells me the data type as well. Okay, so wait a minute. Oh, that's actually the wrong thing here. Wait a minute, it's post that I'm supposed to show. My bad, sorry about that. Show post instead. Yes. Okay, there we go. So we don't actually have a zip code and delivery address. Okay, so it's address 1 and address 2. Okay. Postal code. The postal code is the zip code, right? Okay. My bad. So let's do postal underscore code. And then on delivery address, what we will do is, it says address 1 and address 2. Those are the names. Okay. So what I will say is address 1. And then duplicate this and say connect, leave a space, address 2. Okay, there we go. Let's put a 2 here, make sure. So let's do a refresh. All right, we're getting somewhere. So it's saying invalid parameter number. Parameter was not defined on line 68. So there's too many parameters here compared to what is down here. That's what it's saying. So let's confirm that. So let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Doesn't look like I missed something, did I? Oh, so I think it's this one here. Yeah, delivery address. That's the one. Okay, I was causing problems. So we refresh one more time and try again. Refresh. No more errors. Yes, very good. Now we go and browse to check for the result, and we see that there is nothing inside the nothing here. So it definitely means we did miss something. Yeah, because things didn't go as planned. So let's make sure. Okay, so it's insert into orders, so the table name is correct. What else is okay? So what's wrong is this here again. That just can't seem to go away, can it? Let's refresh. Do it one more time. Let's come back here, browse, and there we go. We have a record. Now you see the user URL is not defined. However, the session ID is. So that is good enough to identify a user for a limited period of time. However, it's a good idea if you have your users logged in or signed up. That way you get their user IDs. That is a more permanent way to show them the data that that they saved. Okay, so there's a mobile phone. So in the next video, we'll see how we put in proper data, and we change the country to an actual country and state to an actual state. And then we also save the order details so that we know exactly what they bought. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.